At this part, we need to find that heat exchanger type as per TEMA division. Therefore, when we are talking about the TEMA standard, first issue is finding the type of heat exchanger and schematic based on the TEMA. TEMA category of heat exchanger: shell and tube heat exchanger category. TEMA have this information to us, this category. Heat exchanger is divided to three major items. First is fixed tube sheet. Heat exchanger. Second is U-type heat exchanger. Third is fellowed heat exchanger. Fixed tube sheet heat exchanger, U-type heat exchanger, and fellowed tube sheet heat exchanger. This is three portion of major of TEMA based on the construction data. When we are talking about the shell and tube heat exchanger, the construction information categorize this type of heat exchanger: fixed tube sheet, U-type, and fellowed heat exchanger. The abbreviation of fixed tube sheet like as AEM, AEL, BEM, NEN, BEL. If you see A as the front, E as the shell, M as a rear head. Heat exchanger U-type. Every heat exchanger have a U word, like at BEU, AEU, CFU, BKU, or AKU. This is general applicable heat exchanger as a U-type heat exchanger. The U word is available here. The K, the abbreviation of kettle reboiler. Therefore, kettle reboiler is a special item U-tube. In some cases, we have fixed tube sheet K, AKM. K as a kettle, M as a rear head, A as a fixed tube sheet. Generally, K is as a kettle reboiler. Heat exchanger with fellowed type heat exchanger, like at AES, BES, AEW, AEP. Every heat exchanger have a word S, W, T, and P. This is for fellowed heat exchanger. Every type have a advantage, disadvantage. Therefore, when we are talking about the selection of heat exchanger, the question is it fixed tube sheet? Is it U-type? Is it fellowed tube sheet? Which type of fixed tube sheet we can select? Which type of U-type we can select? Therefore, when we are talking about the heat exchanger selection, first we can find the category of heat exchanger. Second, we can find the type. Generally, selection of heat exchanger is most important item at the beginning of job. This is the duty of process engineer as a thermal designer. In case of the fixed tube sheet, U-type and heat exchanger, TEMA delivered to us the information about the type. The shape and schematic is available, but size is not available. Size is duty of the process engineering team. Therefore, when we are talking about the fixed tube sheet or U-type or fellowed, we shall know that the construction data for every type of heat exchanger. Second, we shall know that the part and position of each part in heat exchanger. Therefore, we shall know that the application of heat exchanger. And final, based on this issue, select type and design heat exchanger. When we are talking about the selection, we can follow 4 items based on the following data, that is maintenance philosophy, is it possible to clean heat exchanger and redesign or reuse again? Second is construction limitation. Do you have any criteria of the construction limitation? Third, process application. Which type of heat exchanger is suitable for our process? For example, kettle shall be used in the distillation tower. Near the distillation tower for providing the vaporization system and heating system for the distillation tower. Finally, the economic situation. Therefore, it is not easy to find the selection. For the selection system, we shall know thinking about the more criteria based on the following, based on the construction limitation, process application, and economic situation. Maintenance philosophy, that means show to us, is it possible clean the heat exchanger as per chemical or mechanical? Some of these heat exchanger, maybe we can only chemical cleaning happen. For example, fixed tube sheet used for the chemical cleaning. Some of heat exchanger, maybe tube binder removable. Therefore, one of the portion is construction data. TEMA standard say to us the type and part is available. Designer, please provide best type and best size to meet our process requirement. That is the first job and first study of our design. Therefore, during this course, we need to start this job for the fixed tube sheet design, see that what is the part, what is the application, what is the advantage, what is disadvantage, and selection of this type. Again for U-tube, again for float heat exchanger, and compare each heat exchanger. Before this type, selection is so mandatory. We need to find that maintenance philosophy. Is it possible to maintain cleaning this heat exchanger with mechanical cleaning or chemical cleaning? What is the effect of falling data in heat exchanger during the year of operation? What is the construction limitation? Is it possible to design one heat exchanger in cheapest price and meet our process requirement? What is the economic solution or situation between the fixed tube sheet, U-type, and float heat exchanger? Therefore, we shall know that before running the heat exchanger, see the type and see and inform the part number of heat exchanger. We have some criteria for selection of heat exchanger. The most criteria is process requirement. For selection heat exchanger is so important item is process data. Process data shall be available in heat and mass balance. Heat and mass balance or in process data sheet. When we are talking about the process data, in process data sheet, selection of type of heat exchanger shall be mentioned on this document. Therefore, one of the first issue is selection of heat exchanger. In the future session, we're talking about the advantage and disadvantage of heat exchanger, criteria of the selection, and see the part of heat exchanger. First, we say that the part of heat exchanger. After that, we say that formulation and design, simulation, rating of heat exchanger, and we can apply for the one design.